Where do I enter a 1098 form on eSmart tax? Hello everyone, this is Neha from Create, Login and Delete, and in today's video, I'm going to talk about how can you enter a 1098 form on eSmart tax. In order to enter a form 1098 in eSmart tax for the tax year 2024, typically used for reporting mortgage interest paid, you would follow these steps. First of all, log into your eSmart tax account using your credentials, and then after, locate your tax return for the tax year 2024 within your account. This may be listed under My Returns or similar section. Find the deduction section. Look for a section within your tax return labeled as Deductions or Itemized Deductions. This is where you would typically enter the information related to the mortgage interest, including Form 1098. Within the deduction section, there should be an option to enter the mortgage interest paid. This is where you would enter the information from your Form 1098. Once you have located the appropriate section, you'll typically be prompted to enter the relevant information from your Form 1098. This includes details such as the lender's name, the amount of mortgage interest paid, and any points paid on the mortgage. After entering the Form 1098 details, review the information you have entered to ensure accuracy, and once you are satisfied, confirm that the information is correct. Save your progress to ensure that the Form 1098 information is recorded in your tax return. You may also need to continue through the rest of your deductions section to input any other relevant deductions. And before submitting, review all the information you have entered, including the details from your 1098, to ensure accuracy and completeness. If you encounter any difficulties or if the process differs from what is outlined here, it's advisable to refer to eSmart Tax official documentation or contact their customer support for the assistance. They can provide specific guidance on how to enter the Form 1098 information based on their platform's current features and interface. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel for more amazing content. Thank you. See you in the next video.